The real reason I love Seamoss is because it is so versatile. You can use it to make so many creations, from hair care to skincare, not to mention the health benefits of consuming Seamoss. Today we're making two super easy DIY creations using Seamoss for facial care. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe for more DIY creations. And if you're new here, it's Yaya. Today's Seamoss was gifted to me by Herbal Vineyards. Thank you so much, Herbal Vineyards, for sponsoring this video. So we all know that Seamoss is a superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients for overall well-being. But did you know that you could use it on your face for healthy, glowing skin? Well, you can, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm making Seamoss ice cubes. Yes, ice cubes. You can use a silicone mold or your own ice tray and just pour in your Seamoss gel. Seamoss is already amazing for the skin. It acts as a humectant, drawing in moisture and locking it in. It's anti-inflammatory and will help reduce acne. It helps to protect the skin, reduce oiliness, keep away bacteria, and clear up your skin for a healthy complexion. So it's already amazing for the skin, but when you freeze it, it adds a whole nother level. Did you know that ice is a natural exfoliator? It helps to buff away dead skin cells and also reduce puffiness around the eyes. Overall, it works with Seamoss to help to reduce oiliness and to give you a healthy glow to your skin. So what I did is I went on and added some cranberry seeds to a few of them just for the aesthetic, but they're also useful for buffing away dead skin cells. And they also look really pretty. I really like the way that they turned out. So yeah, once I added my cranberry seeds, I placed these in the freezer for maybe about 2 hours or so, and then they were ready to use. I use it on clean skin that I've already cleansed, and then I rub it on my face in circular motions. Now, if you cannot tolerate really cold ice, then you might want to put it in a cloth or something like that to do this, okay? But yeah, just make sure you really get those trouble spots, like spots where you might have wrinkles or acne. It can definitely help with easing acne and also reducing wrinkles, and just for overall healthy, glowy, beautiful, youthful looking skin. And you should be able to keep these in the freezer for up to 3 to 4 months or however long your Seamoss will last, but honestly, you'll probably gonna use them up by then. How easy was this DIY facial treatment, you guys? Super easy. To make my Seamoss ice cubes, I used homemade Seamoss gel. I made my Seamoss gel using raw wild crafted Seamoss from Herbal Vineyards. This collab was a no-brainer because I love Seamoss gel and me and my son use it all the time. I mix it into his spaghetti, his soups, so he won't know that it's there, but he's getting all the nutrients and benefits of the Seamoss. You can also take Seamoss in capsule form if you are someone who doesn't like the consistency of gel. Like me, I'm a texture person. I don't like applesauce, I don't like pudding, solely because of the texture. It's even hard for me to drink smoothies sometimes, which I love smoothies, but the texture, if it's not right, I can't do it. So using the Seamoss gel and putting it into something is great and all, but using the capsules is also a bonus, you guys. So if you wanted to take the capsules, the powder is inside. It's so easy to take, and that's another way to take your Seamoss as well. So not only can you use Seamoss for your face, your skin, even your hair, which I have some other DIYs coming up where I'm using Seamoss in hair care products, you guys. I'm excited to show you guys. But yeah, you can also take it internally. It contains 92 of the 102 essential minerals that we need. It's filled with vitamin C, B, B12, K, and A, and of course iron, you guys. I'm anemic, so I need as much iron as I can get. So that's why I initially started getting into taking Seamoss more and more, is to try to bring up my iron, and it definitely has been helping. My levels have increased, and it's also a better way to get your iron in without having to take iron supplements, you know. So there's just so many pros to using Seamoss, whether internally or topically. Speaking of, now we're going to move into our next DIY, which is the Seamoss facial gel. This gel is super easy to make, you guys. I just measured out my water, and now I'm adding in my preservative. After adding in my preservative, I'm going to add in my gelling agent. I'm using Sodium Carbomer, but you can use whatever gelling agent you like. Most people have xanthan gum on hand, so you can use that if you like. You'll just have to adjust the percentage, but Sodium Carbomer is so easy to use. You just have to let it hydrate and then mix it around. Let it sit somewhere until it's fully hydrated, mix it around, and then you get a beautiful gel. Because it is pre-neutralized, you don't have to add any other ingredients to get it to gel up. You don't have to worry about adjusting the pH. It's just super easy. Just add it to the water and let it gel up, you guys. So, and that's basically it. All you have to do now is add about 3 tablespoons of your Seamoss gel, whether it's homemade or store-bought, whichever way you like. Just add it directly into your gel base. And then you just want to stir it, mix it around until it is uniform. And then you have your Seamoss facial gel. How easy is that, you guys? Super easy, right? And I know a lot of you guys are thinking, why not just use the Seamoss gel as is? You definitely can, but this gel base is going to make it so that it will glide onto your skin easier, and it will also absorb faster into your skin. It basically acts as like a medium to help the Seamoss get into your skin faster, and just a more pleasant experience. If you're just smearing Seamoss gel on your face and it's just sitting there, if you want to use it as a mask, maybe, but this will allow you to use it as a like hydrating moisturizer, and it's just going to absorb into your skin so beautifully, you guys. Trust me, you're going to love this recipe. Definitely give it a try, okay? Another plus is that it is shelf stable, so you don't have to refrigerate it. Because it has a preservative, you can leave it out, and this should last anywhere up from 2 to 3 months. And if you would like to refrigerate it, it probably will last even longer than that. And it's also just so beautiful. I put it in this little 2-ounce jar. Wait, I believe it's 2 ounce. I believe this is a little 2-ounce jar. It looks big on screen, but it is actually very tiny. And I just love how beautiful it is. This gel actually thickens up slightly more, but this is essentially the final product, you guys. So how easy was that? Let me know in the comment section, you guys. What do you think about these 2 DIYs? We have the Seamoss ice cubes, and then we have the Seamoss facial gel. This gel can definitely be used after you use your ice cubes and dry your face. Then you can just put this on to further hydrate and moisturize the skin, and then you can follow that up with an additional creamier moisturizer if you like, or oil. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. I also want to say thank you again to Herbal Vineyards for sponsoring this video. It was so much fun to do this collab. You guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me some comments down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.